guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. This week I'm sharing an explosion box with you again, and this time it is created with only 2 sheets of double-sided design paper, and I used some scrap berries paper. And you can see them here. They are 2 sheets, and one is called Fireworks and the other is called Confetti, and both are from the Vintage Circus collection. Now you saw 3, but I ended up only using 2 just for the challenge of it. So this box only has 1 layer, and I usually do 2 or 3, and I use cardstock and usually fill it up with pictures and sentiments and all kinds of things like that. And this time I created a different version, sort of an alternative birthday card. For this does not have pictures and it only has 1 layer, as I said, and well, I just set it up differently. So that is what I'm going to show you this week. So let's take a look. All right, and here we go. So let's take a look at all of the side panels first. So they are all the same. I did some die cutting, and as I said, I only used 2 sheets of design paper, so no cardstock at all. And I used almost exclusively papers to decorate. So here are some design paper die cuts. So here's some flowers that I used some Crealis dies for and stacked them on top of each other. And here is a, well, sort of a frame that I die cut. And each flower is decorated with a droplet of some glitter glue. I used some Nouveau crystal drops for that. And in the middle there is some Nouveau pearl, and then on top of that pearl, liquid pearl, some liquid crystals to add some shimmer as well. So each flower on all of the panels looks like that. So let's turn it over and over and over so you can see all of them. And I made them a bit dimensional, just so that they aren't flat on the paper. And I also popped up every frame here with some dimensional tape, so I did that on all of the frames. And as for the lid, I just cut out from one of the design papers a beautiful picture here and framed that with some liquid pearl, again by Nouveau. And use some washi tape here, some sort of a pink glitter washi tape, and then die cut lots of flowers here and stacked them on top of each other, added some glistening glitter glue again everywhere, and a little brad in the middle to keep it all together, and add a little nice extra flower here. And then the entire thing again is popped up with some dimensional tape. So that is sort of a theme in this explosion box. Everything is popped up. Now again, as you can see, no cardstock whatsoever. So the explosion box itself and its lid are design paper only. Okay, so let's open it up. Now normally when you have multiple layers, the weight of the paper will press each panel down, but now it's only 1 layer, so I'll have to help it a bit. So here you go. So there are 4 decorated panels, which I will show you in more detail. And here in the center is a small box that I folded myself and attached in the middle. Now what you see here is a little butterfly and some birds here on the side, and here is a booklet that I did with some actual papers inside. You see, you can even write on them, and I have written "Kisses Katja" for whomever will receive this. And yeah, so there are several actual book papers in here, and then there are some flowers on the other side here. So this entire box is sort of framed with birds, butterflies, flowers, and as I said, sort of a floating little book in the middle. So that is a nice surprise for the one who will receive this. So let's look from above. So each panel has some decorations. So here is some die cutting and a separate piece of paper here, some scalloped circles here, and I popped this one up with some dimensional tape, added some glitter glue and some flat back pearls. So pretty simple actually. And then this entire panel here again popped up. Oh, and I added some blings too. So each of the main panels has a popped up smaller panel. So here again, popped up panel with, in this case, some die cuts again. So die cut flowers and leaves, a little enamel dot here, added some liquid pearl, and fussy cut a circle picture from the design paper. Added some blings and a flat back pearl. So there you go. So each panel looks sort of the same but different. Popped up panel, added some blings here, pearls, die cuts, and a scalloped circle from the design paper, and some half circles here from pieces of design paper to decorate. And then here I stamped happy birthday and hip hip here in the middle, fussy cut around it, added some glitter glue, die cut a little fence here, some leaves, flowers, enamel dot, blings, flat back pearl, and popped the entire thing up with some dimensional tape again. So yeah, that was my vintage circle explosion box with only one layer. Alright, so that was the explosion box with only one layer. Now, there is no tutorial for this specific one, but I do have an explosion box tutorial for you guys in my shop, and that is for the more elaborate version. One of my 3-layer versions that I did, and it is called Explosion of Joy. You can see it right here in frame, and it has pictures, it has sentiments, it has pockets, tags, etc, etc. And so you can check out the tutorial for that in my Etsy shop, and if you purchase that and practice with it, then I am sure you can most definitely create this one, because it's only 1 layer and you only have to decorate it. Well, you just saw me show you all of that. So let me know what you think in the comment section of this alternative birthday card or birthday gift or some such. So leave a comment below in the comment section, press the like if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel, of course. So I will see you next week. Bye bye, thank you for watching.